I'm Darcie, except this is my sister's old overalls. This is my dad, Anthony.
Hi.
And for my school project, we had a choice between animal farm thing,
What was it? Oh, mosaic.
Mosaic.
Yep.
And a scarecrow. So I chose a scarecrow, and we had to make it out of some recycled materials. The old brake is the body for the scarecrow. Solar charger will be on the top of his hat. The window wipe motor will control his arms to go up and down. And the battery would help keep the balance, but also the piece of wood down here will prevent it from getting dirty.
Yep, cool. And then we're going to make some stuff, like we'll make our own hinges, the motion sensor we have to buy, and it's still in the mail. But yeah, so the only things we actually bought were this solar panel to keep the battery charged, sensor, this 6mm rod we'll use for the arms, and the rest of it was pretty much going to recycle, eh? Yeah. Alright. Should we get into it?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it a bit on there? It might actually have a screwed in kind of. Oh no, it doesn't. No, you've loosened it for me.
3-4.
So 234.
Okay.
Carefully. So does it actually look at this edge?
Yeah.
It's not too short, which is perfect.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Alright. Nice. That's why. The top's fatter than the bottom, that's why. Cool. All done.
Ooh.
There's that bit.
And we
Yep.
here.
And then we welded like that. Alright, see if that fits. Dude, that actually fits really well. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Yep. The speed's a bit too low. What is it?
6mm.
Nice. So the drill bit should be, well, pretty slightly bigger?
Yeah.
Like 6.5 or something?
Yeah.
Well done, now brush it off.
I might have moved it like a minute.
So, what we can do, let's bend it around and see if our measurements were accurate. I can do it, it's alright. It's okay. And, Kitty, look. Look how close we actually got. We're pretty much spot on. So here, and now, here, you do this. They sit there, and as that thing moves up and down, we're going to cut this out. This is going to mill out the central part, and these two U sections will overlap with the hole in the middle, and when this moves up and down, these will go, basically rotate like that, and we're going to have arms coming off these bits, and the arms will actually swing up and down. Yep? Awesome. Alright, let's get into it. Nice, and then another one. Nice. Alright, so let me just do that as well. So once you get right to the end, there you go.
Yes!
How's it looking? Dude, well done. Cool, so now we've got this little bracket here, 3mm, 3mm thick. It's been filed to fit the profile of the sort of the output shaft. We've bolted it up. This bit that Darcie machined out is now there. And Darcie, do you want to show where that thing goes? Yep.
There,
It connects to there, yep.
and then it'll go around, which will make the arms go up and down.
Perfect. Alright. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So let's see if it works.
One, two, three.
Dude. There you go. That's it. Yeah, give it a hand. Kitty. Alright. Nice.
I did it a little bit off. I think it's fine.
Awesome. Oh, here she is. Here she is. Okay. Wait.
Watch out.
Alright, slide the head onto the solar panel. We'll see if it'll... Hey, it fits. Hold on. Okay, it's... We can always cut its arm down. No, here we go, look at this. let's. So I'll just do a little bit by little bit, okay? So do you want to use this?
Okay.
Because we can use that, chop that up, use that for eyebrows,
Yeah.
and then use it for the mouth. About halfway, and you do the other side.
Oh, it was fun.
Alright, so shall we do the eyebrows as well? And
Yeah. Until it looks like it's sad.
do you want to do like
And then it's gonna
one?
like, oh no.
Look. That's pretty fun. We should probably hook it up there. Okay, ready? You're gonna smack me in the head. Oh! Oh shit! Uh-oh.
So we're going to stuff this giant plastic recycling bag in the Scarecrow's t-shirt.
It's gonna be yearold. Well, at least that one move. Actually, we'll probably have to pin it to that.
Like, make its face more facey, like give it some hair or something.